Hello everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to accept tickets on StubHub in just a few easy steps. First, open your email and look for the message from StubHub. This email will contain the link you need to accept your tickets. Next, click on the Accept Tickets link inside the email. This will take you directly to StubHub's website. Now you'll be asked to sign in to your StubHub account. Make sure to use the same email address the tickets were sent to. Otherwise, you won't be able to claim them. Once you're logged in, simply select View Tickets. From there, you can see and access your accepted tickets right in your account. And that's it. You've successfully accepted your StubHub tickets. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.